Domingo Neil Aaron T. Class for me, javelin throw participant, 1,500 meter run participant, shot put participant, 100 meter run boys, third place, triple jump boys, second place. Fajardo Justin Neil S. Class for me, volleyball boys participant. Basketball, first place. Geronimo Marquian B. Class for me, volleyball boys participant. Basketball, first place. Tolentino Kaisel. Class for me, volleyball girls participant. Valdez Jasper P. Class for me, basketball, first place. Veniegas Rizalea P. Class for me, high jump girls, first place. Saigmaa high jump girls participant. Saigmaa 4x100 meter run, second place. Now let's move on to special and academic awardees from grade 6 Amity. Angeles Noveliana S. with honors. De la Cruz Ann Carly with honors. Gaspar